So the night 2 event dropped. Well, night 2, not the night 2 event. Honestly, again, like the first one, I'll beat it, I'll show my experience. Now, this one I'm not sure if I'll be able to beat solo. And so I took a loadout with a lot more thought. First of all, Soldier is pretty good for mid, early, and okay for late. Minigun for early, no, mid to late, NG for late, and Brawler and Pyro to use are for me to use whenever I'll need it, because I do bet that they will be playing around with, like lead flying. Be flying. Does Gold Soldier have flying effect? Gold Soldier, TDS. It does have flank detection. Alright, nice. So yes, now, like always, we're gonna play hardware because we ain't girls, man. We are men. We destroy. Okay, jokes aside. Now, do I expect this to be even harder, like better? I mean, that's what I mean by harder. The situation. Last time, most probably, honestly, yeah. Um, do I expect to lose? Okay, with this map, no. No, actually. That looks great. So, let's start off with this for now.
If you can hear this, the portal didn't seem to have worked intentionally. The good news is that the computer appears to have been sucked in with you guys.
Nice.
If you can fix it up and find a power source, you can probably get home. Be careful though. We can't see what dimension you guys are in, and anything could be lurking in there.
No, wait. Oh, I see. You know what? For now, let's farm a bit. Oh shit. Oh, great.
Do you read me? Connection isn't reliable. Let me improve the signal. Look out. This dimension is unstable. Maybe it's something to do with the computer in the back. These creatures are unlike anything I've ever seen before. I get the feeling we were never meant to be here.
Yeah, I know. Like also, rookie mistake of bringing farms and sad. Yo. And you're gonna spend level 3s, honestly. That's our best choice. So, also this makes me realize how much I need Gold Pyro, bro. These guys have every tower I brought. Pyro, Electroshocker, yeah, I'm an NG guy, I'm the NG guy. Pure DPS. But this thing was hard. Honestly, I do not know if you can hear me over this. It's just so... It's loud, but it's good. That gives it a pass. Shut up. You're useless. What is that thing? Oh,
Feel it, the hatred and anger from here.
okay. Oh, oh no.
The children of Exo literally disturbed this place.
Oh, so that's my job to contain them now. Yeah, we're like the SCP Foundation of this world. TDS, more like TDS Foundation, more like the SCP Foundation. God damn it. What?
Hold your ground. We gotta figure out what the children of Exo are up to.
Also, holy golly, holy, those drops. Oh yeah, Hex Corpse is lower than her body now. That's crazy, dude. What else?
We got a reading of a massive beast heading your way.
Don't worry, don't worry. With the stretch right summon, engineer.
I can't even tell if that thing is dead or alive.
Most of these things look cute. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, bro. I'm going schizophrenic. You know, it's bad when his name is Rotting Terror. And bro, feel like one more enemy from Intermediate. Bro, like that. Bro, like the Intermediate guy. Oh, hell no. Full Experiment, I think. Strength the bald eagles. You know, even though I'm playing with the team, I bet I'll do this like halfway at the very least. So Running Terror.
Any luck with that computer?
Here, no. Just 500 total.
Looks like its parts have been scattered. There must be a reason that the children of Exo left it broken.
Destruction. Nice. Unfortunate. Unfortunate fly. It's the only one I do not own.
Got another large hostile heading your way.
Conjurer. We're trying to escape. Can you like let us? You know? Oh yeah, I know your way. Talking most of your soldiers look like some kind of my nightmares, but they look like ones. Second skull, eh? Bro, imagine being so angry, you just start trash talking the enemy. You're like, "God, I'm so angry." I wouldn't say I'm angry, but I would say I'm scared. Imagine being so horrified. They just start trash talking. Because I feel a little ipsy-dipsy better. Nightmarish Hulk dead. No cutscene, just no cutscene, just alright. Unfortunately. Another Conjurer next wave, of course, and I guess there's gonna be another one somewhere. No? Okay, nice. Oh yeah, he was hidden at the end of his death. Or his HP. Holy. My economy is bad. I'll buy this part. Next wave or so. Oh, stun already, cool. Oh, he's a level 5 now. You know, I might edit this video like a lot, or like more than the last one, because probably how long this is gonna take me. Nightmarish Hulk, just die, bro. No one likes you. Thank you. Bro got trash talked to death. Okay. How unfortunate. You're like... Are we... Yeah, the enemy. It sounds like, if anything, they're trying to break into the signal. Give us time! Mr. Emily. Okay, can you, like, stop sending enemies? I know I've repeated this multiple times, but stop sending enemies, right? We fix this up, and we all go back home happily ever after. Only... Nice, nice. I'm not gonna go I'm being carried, honestly. Yeah, I believe I'm being carried. Which is unfortunate because I do believe I am Sigma Chad who never ever needs anybody to carry him, but it is what it is. Mm, and I'm being silent, chat, my good friends. But I am silent because I am horrified of what is to come. Wait, what? It's like fun. Okay. Meteors, thunder. Oh, oh no, that's my that's my ending tag. Oh, nice. Oof. Alright, this looks good. This map looks amazing, bro. What's that? Take small. No, 55k HP is crazy though. Not gonna lie. Just die, dude. No, not the mercenary. I mean, not the Gowling gun. Conserver. You say actions. Oh.
Great job. We've just established a secure connection. Let's get you all home. All we need now is a strong enough power source to jumpstart this
Oh.
device.
And that is. Okay, this thing goes hard.
Official guard key. To boot up the computer. Hopefully it didn't end up in the wrong hands.
Let's see if it's in his model. Yep, it is. Is it a one nuclear monster side effect? Okay, we're on to him now. I hope he doesn't have summon abilities because that would be bad. Brother, there's no one here, brother. My brother. Okay. Shit. Holy great heavens. Yeah. I hope, hopefully we win, man. What? Stop. Nice.
Hello? Connection is back up. We got a green light on the portal.
Nice.
It's
Nice.
unstable, so jump through it while it's active. Wait, that's really odd. It's not shutting off. Oh, this ain't good.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Nice. Nice. Good job. Good job. Nice. Yup, that's the night 2. Honestly, it's crazy, bro. Probably the gameplay wise, it is cool. I like the idea of like having to fix the machine, but difficulty wise, I believe that event like this, like with that are night based, you should be able to solve like everything till the last one, or like have the last one really difficult to solo, like hardcore hard to solo. Anyways, turns out I got a ticket, so let's go gambling before I finish this. Yep, we're getting mid stuff. Right. I hope you guys enjoy. Share the fun with others. Yada yada. Yeah, Halloween. Woohoo!